52% of our population of 20 million people are women. Though the literacy rate in our country is very high, still a vast proportion of women, especially in rural areas and in low-privileged families, depend entirely on the little income earned by their men. It is the same story in many developing countries throughout the world. In order to assist such women, there are a number of rural development banks and NGOs dealing with microfinance activities. Loan facilities are given to women to initiate home-based business. These banks assist these women in finding buyers for their products, and they are encouraged to save as a means of making these women independent one day. But the path is not always smooth. Constraints and gaps in the system need to be overcome. As an assistant to make this microfinance process run smoothly, we decided to develop a mashup of for poor Sanskrit. Let's focus to the mashup. This mashup supports multiple languages and user can start by selecting language of preference. Let's select English. In microfinance process, the three main activities identified are loan information, seller information and donations. Let's take loan information. For smooth functioning of microfinance institutes, it is essential to collect loan prepayment regularly and defaulters have to be identified to recover debts. These red stars denote defaulters and yellow stars indicate other members. Outstanding amount, savings and defaulters are illustrated graphically for the easy analysis of the effective ratio of savings and outstandings. Field officers have to collect monthly installments daily. This mashup supports it by showing the optimal path, connecting due debtors without visiting same location twice. For this we have used traveling salesman problem algorithm and graph theory. This saves time. By this can limit number of field officers, thus keeping the recovery cost minimum. Let's move to seller information. First select the product type. Very often these needy women find it difficult to sell their products and our mashup helps them to find buyers too. When buyers select a particular product type, map will show the relevant sellers. Let's move to donations. This mashup supports distribution of donations to the deserving cases and it illustrates the sustainability ratio of income and expenses. So our mashup connects microfinance institutes, loan takers, buyers, donors and researchers. This is the main block SANASA with 5 operations. First operation. This is used to spread the value of an asset over a period of time. This can be used for depreciation, depletion or amortization of tangible or intangible assets. Inputs are principal, annual interest, years to spread the value. Equation used. Next, get amortization details for month. This is used to identify the spread of the value of the asset for a particular month. Calculates outstanding or remaining value and the defaulted amount if it includes. Inputs are principal value, interest, recovery period in years and current month the spread is calculated. If applicable, defaulted months also can be included. Get future value. This is used to calculate the value of an item to certain date. For this, inputs are present value, interest, years. Equation is get simple chart. This shows a horizontal bar chart with inputs of 3 text values and their relevant quantitative value. Next, get line chart. Use to draw multiple line chart using Google Chart API. This is good for comparisons. Inputs are title, x-axis, y-axis values for 3 lines and color for 3 lines. Next block is TSP for Virtual Earth. This is a new implementation of traveling salesman problem using graph theory. Virtual Earth SDK or Bing Interactive Map SDK can't be used directly. The algorithm and the heuristics had to be written in JavaScript. This is developed as an extension for Virtual Earth block and 3 new operations are added. Get TSP route. The input is an address array. These addresses are used to design the shortest possible route where each location is visited only once. Get direction. It gives shortest path connecting 2 points. Delete route. To delete a route from map. The other block is Google language. It is done using Google Ajax Language API. This facilitates translation and transliteration operations. Have to input a text string to convert with the original language and language to be translated. Here the meaning is preserved. In transliteration, it is the sound of the word that are converted from English to the other language supported by the API. For the development of the mashup, we have developed 3 additional blocks. Date comparator. It is used to get the dates, months or years between 2 dates. Inputs are format and 2 dates. Round values. To round values to 2 decimal places. Current date. To get the date today.